To add PayPal to Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account online. If you do not have a Fidelity account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments or Funding section of your account. This is usually found under the Accounts or Portfolio tab. Next, select the option to add a new payment method. You will be presented with a list of available payment methods, including PayPal. Select PayPal as your preferred payment method. You will then be redirected to the PayPal website to authenticate and authorize the connection between your Fidelity and PayPal accounts. On the PayPal website, log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you do not have a PayPal account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, review the authorization request from Fidelity and confirm that you want to allow Fidelity to access your PayPal account. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Fidelity website. Your PayPal account should now be linked to your Fidelity account. You can verify this by checking the Payments or Funding section of your Fidelity account. You should see PayPal listed as one of your available payment methods. To test the connection, try making a small transaction from your PayPal account to your Fidelity account. This will ensure that the connection is working correctly and that you can successfully transfer funds between the two accounts. It is also a good idea to review Fidelity's fees and terms associated with using PayPal as a payment method. Some transactions may be subject to fees or other restrictions, so it is essential to understand these before proceeding.